Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best bread making kits is probably one of the most satisfying experiences a home cook can have. There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly baked bread filling your kitchen. But with so many options available, choosing the right kit can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some of the top bread making kits on the market, helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs and skill level. Number 5. Kiss Core Bread Slicer, Adjustable, Foldable, Compact. Tired of uneven bread slices? This slicer ensures consistent 0.47-inch slices. It's perfect for homemade bread, bagels, and cakes, making every slice a delight. This bread slicer is designed with adjustable widths to accommodate various bread sizes. Whether it's a baguette or a large loaf, it has you covered. You can choose from 6 different widths. Made from high-quality PP plastic, this slicer is durable, heat-resistant, and safe to use. It's designed to be non-cracking and non-injurious to your hands, ensuring a safe slicing experience. The built-in crumb tray catches all the mess, keeping your countertop tidy. The tray is also versatile. You can use it to hold bread or serve snacks at parties. This slicer is foldable and compact, making storage a breeze. It can be disassembled and stored flat, saving space in your kitchen. It's ideal for gifting during holidays. What we like? This slicer allows you to customize the thickness of your bread slices. It's perfect if you like your bread a certain way. If you are looking for a neat and tidy slicing experience, this is the one for you. With its foldable design and crumb tray, it's ideal for anyone who values convenience and cleanliness in their kitchen. What people say? It does make slicing fresh bread much easier and neater. I like that it holds the entire loaf and allows slicing without moving it, unlike my previous slicing guide that can handle only one slice at a time, which must be removed before the next cut. It offers different size slices and catches the crumbs. Very easy to assemble. Number 4. KNEADACE Pro Sourdough Starter Kit, KA06. This kit is designed for optimal sourdough starter maintenance. With its unique features, it makes handling the starter effortless. You'll love the results. The kit includes a silicone cover for fridge storage, which also serves as a non-slip base. It's perfect for fermentation on your kitchen counter. This helps you to take good care of it. This kit comes with everything you need, including volume marks, a thermometer, and a spatula. It's a complete set to help you make delicious bread. It's a must-have for any baker. The elastic band, marked with days of the week, helps you track feedings. It gives you an accurate indication of when you last fed it. This makes it easy to maintain. Included are a video guide, recipes, and expert support. It will help you grow a healthy starter for amazing homemade bread. You'll be baking like a pro in no time. What we like? This kit is designed to make sourdough starter maintenance easy. It includes a feeding tracker to help you remember when to feed your starter. If you are a beginner, or someone who wants to simplify the sourdough process, this kit is your best friend. It provides all the essentials to create and maintain a thriving starter. What people say? It's a sturdy glass container with a nice wide opening. The stir stick is great quality with an edge on one side to scrape the starter. The band is convenient as it has the days and times. You just line it up so you don't forget when you fed it last. Number 3. Kook Proofing Set, Sourdough Bread Baking Kit. This kit has everything you need to create perfect sourdough bread. It helps you rise, portion, and score your loaves with ease. You'll be baking like a professional in no time. The set includes 2 9-inch Banneton baskets, 2 washable linen liners, a metal scraper, a plastic scraper, a scoring lame, a protective cover, and 4 spare blades. It's a comprehensive set, and a beginner's guide is included. Each basket is handmade from natural cane, ensuring it's odor-free and splinter-free. The ringed shape gives your loaves a professional look. Cleaning is simple, just rinse and air dry. The design creates a humid environment between the dough and the basket during proofing. This process helps form a skin on the bread, resulting in that desirable crispy crust. This is how it achieves the perfect texture. The proofing set is carefully packaged in custom polyfoam molds to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. The company is committed to delivering a product that meets your expectations. What we like? This kit helps you create beautifully patterned loaves with perfect crusts. The rattan baskets create a slightly humid environment, resulting in a crispy exterior. If you like the look of artisan bread, this kit will help you achieve that. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their baking game and impress with professional-looking loaves. What people say. The rattan baskets are sturdy and help my dough rise evenly, and the linen covers keep everything clean. The metal scraper is a great bonus for shaping and cleaning. The two Bannetons smelt and look nice, and they, when floured, I used white rice flour, let the dough come out very easily and nicely with no need for cleaning and with the lovely rings on them. Number 2. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set and Sourdough Kit. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to refine your bread baking process. Unbox and bake, it's that simple. Forget flimsy tools, embrace sturdy ones. Skillfully woven from top-tier Indonesian rattan, it offers reliability batch after batch. Awaken the artisan baker in you. These aren't just tools, they're companions for your baking journey. Elevate your skill and impress your guests. Unite your family over the wholesome aroma of homemade sourdough. This kit is your passport to healthy, home-baked goodness that's fun to make and share. This kit includes easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, we offer a free replacement or refund for any defects. We're all about happy bakers. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start baking sourdough. The sturdy rattan baskets are built to last. If you're looking for a complete set that simplifies the process, this is the one. It's great for families who want to enjoy the fun of baking together and share the joy of homemade bread. What people say. The set comes with everything you need to make sourdough bread: a mat, whisk, 2 Banneton baskets with liners, lame, bowl scraper, sling. Everything was nice quality and easy to clean. I used the oval bowl for my last proofing, and it turned out very well. It is nice that the kit included 2 bench scrapers. The plastic one is gentle on my plastic dough mat and the metal is both beautiful and functional on the actual countertop. You get a great selection of products that are great quality too. Number 1. ABIOTO Sourdough Starter Kit. This kit includes a 24-ounce sourdough starter jar, perfect for your starter. It's 7 inches tall with a 2.9-inch opening. If you need more capacity, consider our larger jars. This all-in-one kit is perfect for beginners and makes a great gift. It includes a sourdough jar, silicone spatula, cloth covers, thermometer strips, and a day tracking band. It has everything you need to get started. This sourdough kit is a worthy investment. You can scan the QR code for free detailed instructions and recipes. This ensures you get the most value for your money. Start baking without any hassle with this sourdough starter container. It's uniquely marked in cups and ml, tailored for home bakers. This jar simplifies your baking preparation. Invest in this sourdough starter kit and bake with the best. With durable markings and top-grade materials, it's built to last. Plus, it comes with the ABIOTO promise of a refund or replacement if damaged during shipping. What we like. This kit offers a perfect-sized jar for your starter, along with all the essential tools. The jar is marked with user-friendly measurements. If you are a beginner looking for a simple and easy-to-use kit, this is the one for you. It's designed to make the sourdough process straightforward and enjoyable. What people say. The painted indicators on the outside of the jar are clear and haven't rubbed off or changed. I've washed it repeatedly. I love the spatula, as it easily scrapes the jar with simple circular, go-around the jar movements, versus my old way of doing it, having to scrap over and over from the top of the jar toward the bottom. The Bannetons are just the right size for my artisan bread done in my 6QT Dutch oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.